Hiding out in the thick Texas brush to escape the law is a tactic as old as the Wild West.
I got one!
Where outlaws, rustlers, and bandits once vanished into the mesquite and chaparral to dodge the sheriff's posse.
The vehicle went off the road onto a ranch road.
But today, it's not six-shooters and stolen cattle. It's human smugglers and illegal border crossings, still playing the same desperate game of evasion.
Horse patrol, hard left, to your left, to your left.
On June 19th, 2024, in Maverick County, Texas DPS troopers were pursuing a smuggler in a stolen Ford F-250. The driver takes the pursuit onto private property, and the passengers bail out, scattering into the brush.
920, be advised, a troop is behind that vehicle. It is in pursuit.
Hold on, emergency traffic. Hold on, emergency traffic. 702 in pursuit northbound 277, passing Mount Marcos 558. Behind a white pickup northbound, heading towards.
116 Del Rio, Bell out, or correction, the vehicle went off the road onto a ranch road. I got cords when ready.
1500.
And be advised, the driver's in a blue long sleeve shirt. Driver's in a blue long sleeve shirt. And vehicle just busted through another ranch fence. We are still eastbound,
Warning, terrain.
And vehicle just busted through another fence. We are now northbound. I have cords for the fence. It's going to be 29 point.
Go ahead.
Top is going to be standby. Break. Standby. Bail out, bail out, bail out. We have bodies bailing out. Standby for cords. It's going to be top is 29. Oh, he threw his shirt off, dude. There's a blue long sleeve shirt right here.
Yeah, probably then.
Running, but they're all staying together. All right, these two just got up and ran. I have cords.
Warning, terrain.
Go ahead.
Horse patrol, hard left, to your left, to your left. Hey, troop, you're on them. Troop. 10 degrees to your left. Troop, yep.
Percent fuel?
1 second. I gotta find that other one, man.
Terrain.
Or you know.
They got him. K9 got one.
Oh, he
K9
did?
was 15 with one. He didn't leave him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's right there.
Oh, I didn't know that. I'm sorry. I didn't hear it. All right, I believe that's all of them. We had two that were separate from the group. Y'all got those two. That's all that we saw.
With help from DPS Aircraft, Border Patrol's Mounted Horse Patrol, and the DPS Brush Team, the pursuit came to an end. 6 individuals were arrested, including the smuggler, an illegal immigrant from Mexico, now facing charges for 5 counts of smuggling of persons, 5 counts of trespassing, 5 counts of criminal mischief, evading arrest, and unauthorized use of a motor vehicle. The 5 others, also here illegally, were charged with trespassing, criminal mischief, and evading on foot. One was a fugitive from Mexico with 6 outstanding warrants out of Wisconsin. In the thick brush, coordination was key, and this time, it worked flawlessly.
I believe that's all of them.
Thank you for watching. For more incidents of law enforcement safeguarding our border towns, click on any of the videos that appear on your screen.